If you want to charge your Motorola Moto G87, then what you can do is you can simply use a USB cable, and this is pretty much the only method that works. I mean, we can charge our phone with a USB cable, because wireless charging is simply not supported on this device. So you can connect your Motorola Moto G87 to anything that provides power via USB cable. Ideally, this should be a power adapter or charger, because usually it's the fastest method. But in case you don't have a charger just yet, then you can connect your phone to, like I said, anything that provides power. This can be, for example, your computer or laptop, or this can be your car, this can be a power bank, and so on and so forth. So the list probably goes on, and that's pretty much it. Oh, actually, I'm going to show you how to connect, of course, in case you are not so certain. So if you have a USB cable, then you want to simply connect one end to the charger, if you have a charger, of course, or to that other device that is supposed to charge your Motorola, and then we connect it to the bottom side of the phone, because over here we have the USB-C port, so we just plug it in, just like that, and then we are charging. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.